Hello everyone, this is Khalil again with ksignals.com. Today I'm going to share with you some of the features on the master trend trading system, and today my focus will be on the advanced chart and advanced template for the master trend. As we have discussed in a previous video, there are two different templates that come with the master trend system. And the first template is the template the master trend base, and we've discussed that in a previous video. Today we're going to discuss the master trend advanced template. So what you see in your screen is the base template, and I'm going to switch into the master trend advanced. As you can see, is this what you saw before is basically the same system. It's just we added additional few indicators to help you avoid going into trades that you don't really have a good chance of success. And it all depends on your comfort. You can remove some of those indicators or not. It's your choice. But for more conservative trades, I suggest that you use the advanced template. And the advanced template has two additional features. The first feature is we have a trend indicator, which is the orange line right here. And the orange line basically indicates what direction the main trend is going to. So in this case, it's going up. That means we are in a buy mode. And the gray levels here are basically shows you the boundaries of the channel that the pair is going through. So in this case, the logic that we have in here, we buy at the bottom part of the channel, and we look for a sell signal at the top part of the channel. If we are in a buy mode, we can avoid taking any sell signals that comes along. So in this case, we avoid taking the signal. We can focus on the buy ones. If the system gave us a sell signal here and we are at the top part of the channel, we could take this trade, or we can, since we have an overall uptrend, we can avoid it. The second indicator that we have added here is the 50 moving average, which is a common indicator that could also be used as a filter. So in the buy signal, you only enter the trade when when the indicator is giving you buy and the price closes above the 50 EMA, and you go with the sell when the system when the price goes below the 50 EMA. So in this case, we're going to avoid this trade definitely based on this indicator alone. And also the other reason, we don't have a red dot on top of it, so we're going to avoid this trade using two different reasons. This is still the 1 hour chart that we discussed in the base master trend template, and the additional feature here is adding the master trend trend line, which is basically helps you to visualize where the overall market direction is, and it helps you visualize where the support and resistance levels. So in this case, this gray line here serves as your resistance level, and also the fourth 1, 2, 3, the third level here serves as one of the support levels. You could have used that as an exit place, or this one as an exit place, to help you identify appropriate exit areas. So if I took the buy trade, for example, if I took the buy trade that's in here, which is actually I would have taken this one as the buy and continued with the trade, I would have ignored this signal, continued with the buy, and I could have probably made about 386 pips, 388 pips in 105 hours, which probably about 4 days time frame. If you don't have that much patience, you can exit earlier. 289 pips, that's not too bad at all. But if you continued on the trade, followed the system, would probably exit here with a 300 pips profit. If I waited for the system to reach a certain level, I probably would have exited at this level here, or waited till the price goes to this level or this level. The total move here was 670 pips, which is a great move for a trade. You could have made a fortune out of this. So this is basically the advanced master trend template. There's no much difference. If I would switch here to the base, you wouldn't see a lot of difference in the signal itself, but you would see a lot more indicators populated in your screen that will help you identify the overall market trend, and if you want to try to avoid taking trades against the main trend. If you have any question, please send me an email at support@ksignals.com, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And thank you and good luck.